Pwede 1 month. So my journey starts there. So, in terms of health and in terms of wealth, nakita ko yung opportunity. And then what next? Now, of course, since kung nakita ko na yung opportunity cannot be. Or sabi kanina ni Nerissa, mission muna bago commission. Yes. So, paano ka nag-commission kung there is no people or there is no leader with you? Tama ba? So, nang nagkaroon ako ng leaders, ay, sabi ko sa sarili ko, cannot be pala. Hindi pwede na mag-stop ka na. You know why? Paano ka mag-stop kung there is people na nag-trust sa'yo?
Amen.
Diba? Nag-trust sila sa'yo. Nag-trust sila that their lives can be changed and can be a better version of themselves. So, nang nakita ko that truly, Riway International, mayroon siyang very good platform. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, there is no perfect person. Tama ba? May perfect bang tao? Wala. But there is a perfect, it could be, na mayroong perfect system. Tama? And Riway International, in 16 years, mayroon siyang platform. Platform that everybody can follow. So, sino yun? Those ba may pinag-aralan? Noong nakita ko dito pala, sa Riway, ang platform niya is mayroong equal opportunity. Equal opportunity to people. May pinag-aralan ka? Wala kang pinag-aralan? May pera ka? O wala kang pera? Kanina sharing ni Nerissa, di ba? Pwede mag-start. 100 pesos lang ang pera niya, di ba? May pera ka o wala kang pera? May sakit ka o wala kang sakit? Pwede in the platform of this Riway International. So, paano natin gawin yon? Because, ladies and gentlemen, not just us, we alone ang gagawa niyan. Mayroon tayong platform na nandyan na from the very beginning, 16 years ago. In that platform is 100% magiging successful ka if you will follow. Tama ba, leaders? Yes, if you will follow. So ngayon, sabi ng iba, so kung 2017 ako, ilang years na ako ngayon?
5 years.
7 years. Tagal na. Sakit ba? Tagal na, no? So, kung ang system na Riway is magiging successful ka, that is the promise. Magiging successful ka, 100%. Pero bakit dito, mayroong mga iba na ilang years na hindi naman nagiging successful. Why? Because they are not willing to follow to the system and culture of Riway. Tama ba? So, can we give a round of applause to our Headmistress Ramon Ondo? And Riway is giving us 99% na support for us to succeed. Ano na lang ang part natin? 1%? Tama ba? 1% na lang ang magiging contribution natin for us to be successful inside Riway International. But then, bakit mayroong mga hindi nagiging successful? Minsan, tinig mo sa labas, wala naman yun. Hindi naman ako nagiging successful dyan. Why? Because of that missing 1%. Right? 1% hindi nagawa. Ano yung 1% na dapat mong gawin?
Airport.
Yeah, the promises of Reway is nandyan. And that is, Reway will deliver kung anong promise niya. Ano ang 1%? We must, we must attend. Attend the event like this. Paano magiging successful wala ka nadinig? Di ba sabi kanina, it's a storytelling business. Ano yung kwento mo wala ka nadinig? Wala ka pa experience, di ba? It will start there. So, attend. So, mahirap ba umattend? Hindi, di ba? Attend. And then what next? Bring people. Bring invites. So now, I have leaders here who has a lot of invites. So can we give my leader a round of applause? And for all other leaders, my invite for this afternoon, again, let's clap our hands for them. Invite, di ba? And then, what next? Umattend na ako, nag-invite na ako, then what next? Attend. Yes, attend and attend, pakinig ng pakinig. Kasi hindi naman natin mag-grasp lahat di ba? Yung first attend, hindi mo maintindihan ako noon, hindi ko rin maintindihan. Kahit nag-product presentation na, hindi ko nga kilala kahit sabihin yung agency. But then, paano ako nakaka-close, no?